we had a real nice pontoon boat, but it got to the age where we was having a hard time launching it and getting it back in. The last time we went out was out in eastern Oklahoma, and we was in a bad storm, so it was quite an episode bringing the boat and get it on the trailer. So that night we was watching television, and I said, "Hun, what if I was to take and we sell the boat, and I'll take and build an amphibious car?" And she said, "Right." And I said, "It's a challenge." So I'm an engineer, or was it former life, and so I took it as a challenge, and that's how I got started, And building it, I designed it all pretty much on CAD and did it work in progress, And I actually built it in 2017, right when I retired, and had kind of an engineering firm. And so I had the facilities to build it, welders and all that kind of stuff. And so when we moved to the village here, we brought it along, and it's my retirement fixer-upper. I'm always fixing something up on it, Here's the engine. It's air-cooled. It sits down in the body. This scoop here is for fresh air coming in there to cool it, and then the hot air comes out here. I just take and do all kinds of little inventions on it, like it's the only car on the road that's got a depth finder, fish finder, and a paddle, and I got anchor and that kind of stuff. It's all required by and it is Coast Guard approved. Had a friend that was in the Coast Guard, and he came over and said, "Yeah," I said, "I'll write that thing up, and it's street legal and water legal. I even have a Hot Springs Village sticker." So I can go on the water, So the hardest part of the whole project probably was getting the titles. That was quite a chore. Ended up getting a lawyer and court orders and everything else for them to get that. And it's actually got a title for the car and part of it, and then a title for the boat. So I pay double taxation every year. But it's fun. It's kind of fun. It's not a speed demon by no means. You're not going to pull a skier or anything like that, or you're not going to race anybody on the street for sure. But it's kind of fun, and I love giving rides down. The lake is right just down here, and so it's inside of 5 minutes I'm on the water. So it's kind of fun.